We back with Jovi. Hey, we back with Jovi. Hey, and she don't play. Hey, she got the blonde. Hey, she got the black. Hey, she got the hair in the back and it looking like a, I don't know what to say.
Tell me where you been. Yeah, I'm trying to find you. Do I need to remind you that?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Octavia, aka Tboz. Welcome back. Okay, so we doing a wig that I already did a wig review on already in a different color. Okay? And I felt like it was only right to do another video because I'm like, y'all didn't even see this color. So why would I not show y'all what the new thing is going on right now? I mean, y'all know y'all been seeing the mullets everywhere. And people only started wearing them mullets after I wore them. Period. Don't play with me. I'm playing. But I want y'all to see the color I got because I really love it. And it's giving rock star vibes because this mullet is just easy, affordable, color lit. Then you over there chewing while I'm doing my video. Bro wasn't eating this whole time. Where he at? Down there. He wasn't eating this whole time till I decided to put my YouTube video on. Why are you waiting till I do my video so you can eat and chew and crunch? Shh. Anyway, back to what I was saying before I was interrupted. This is a mullet from Outre. Outre, and her name again is Jovi. Jovi with the mullet, and this time I got this color. The color is DR4 / Golden Honey Blonde, and I got this wig because I just really love the wig. I got it in black, but I just like, I wanted a new color. I just knew, like, when I first tried on the first one, like, girl, get you another one because this right here is easy, quick, and you don't got to do anything crazy. All you got to do is just put you on a little black or whatever color wig cap you got on. Throw that thing right over this thing, and then you good to go. So let's get right into it because I want y'all to see how this thing looking. So this is our girl Jovi with our long hair in the back. And it's cut into layers. And it has DR4? DR4 at the top, and it goes into this honey golden blonde. And I'm about to put this on because I think I want to wear this tonight because the look I got tonight is like this out of this jean set that I got, which is the reason why I got this blue eyeshadow on, or this black dress. It's like gothic kind of. We got this skull on the front. Like, whichever one I choose, I'm just gonna show y'all at the end of this video so y'all can see what the end result of the outfit was. So this is our wig, Jovi. This is the inside of our wig, and it has 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back. This giving rockstar lifestyle type vibes. Rockstar lifestyle might not make it. And I'm gonna play with it a little bit in the front. And if it's a little too long in your face, just pull it back. Just pull it back and play with it. Move it how you want to move it around too, okay? I really love this wig so much, y'all. Like, I just knew, like I said, I just knew from the jump when I first tried on the black one that I was going to get another one. Hello? So you can either do it like this with the hair to the side, or you can do it with the bangs. And depending on what I wear tonight, I might keep just the bangs. Or I might do the swoopity swoop to the side. Pull it back a little bit more. I love this rock style lifestyle. I love the layers, how it's cut into layers. This is a 14-inch wig. Colors in the back of the options. Let me see, do I want a different color? I think if I do get another one, it's gonna be that copper orange. I don't know how that look, but that might be the one if I do get another one. I honestly think I'm good with these two. I just needed a black one and a blonde one. This is the back, and this is my back. What y'all think? What do you think? I just love Jovi. I never did a wig review on the same wig twice. So the fact that I decided to do this twice, it shows the love I have for this thing, okay? Because I already love a pixie cut, and this give me like TLC vibes, like Tboz vibes. What y'all think? If y'all want to check out my wig review with the black hair, I'm going to put the link right here. Bling, 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 bling. Right here. Make sure you click on it so you can see if you want this one or the black one. You can't go wrong with either because they only, I think this was only like $22. It was cheap. Get your wig immediately, sis, and stop playing. You don't know if it's going to look right on you? Well, guess what? It's only 22 whatever dollars. Try the wig, and you might love it just as much as me. You might be a hard advocate for this one, okay? You never know. I'm about to get ready, y'all, to get my life. I'm about to look good, whichever wig we choosing, black or blonde. I'm gonna look good, and I'm gonna post the pictures at the end of this video. At the end of this video, rockstar lifestyle might not make it. Thank y'all so much for watching again. I appreciate y'all so much. I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching me. Thank y'all for tuning in. And if you don't even have to. There's a billion other YouTube videos out there, but you decided to click on mine. I'm thankful. Thank you. Okay. I'll see you guys next time.
90's on the beat.